Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys we're talking about OriginSuite. So guys, this is a software AI powered marketing and you can all replace these tools, ClickFunnels and Kajabi and high levels and Aweber and Twilio and Zapier. So guys, this is a tool designed to replace all this tool, and this is the website guys, as you can see here. If I check, you can build your funnels in just 60 milliseconds, just use sales, and you can clone any landing page on the screenshot OriginSuite, and you can auto-write emails, SMS, and WhatsApp. And you can a smart CRM tag source. You can host courses, webinar, and membership inside. You can run unlimited live evergreen webinar, and you can manage your business, books, appointment, and this all of things. If I check the price guys of these tools, the price guys, if I check the price, as you can see here, just wait. The price guys, it's not available for selling, will be available start on this time guys. If I check, you can guys step 1, you can create account from here, and you can choose what you want to launch, any app you can to launch from here. And if you scroll down, you can earn all this thing money guys for your business. If you sell, you can sell courses, host webinar, emails, anything guys. If I check the price guys, this price is not available yet, but anyway guys, this is the website, and this is beautiful AI and software guys for marketing, and if you for build funnels and alternatively click funnels and give high levels. This is guys, this all tools you can save 1,000 to 1,000 on per month guys for this software stack. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. This is the prices of the tools guys, as you can see here. It started for $16 and